Hi, all my viewers. Here's another car to fix. This is my personal car. It's an Audi A6 3.0 TDI Quattro. And the problem with the car, it's just going off. Just a moment. Okay, this is the problem. This light, it's a little bit on. You see, just a little, but not like this. So I got this problem. Was there before 1 week, then it was good for 2-3 days, and now it's off again. So I suspect there's gonna be some bad connections or something like that. Okay, so let's try fix this together. Let me first get the light out. Okay, I just got it out. Let me show you how to get it out. It's not so easy. So this one, this little plastic thing is in here. Okay, it's in here. It's a 13 millimeter, so you can get it out with a 13 millimeter, and that's it. Let me show you where it is. Okay, the light's gonna be tricky. It's in here in this hole. Okay, you can see it, and then the light doesn't come out so easily. It wiggles on this side when you're touching, but it has two little things here to fix it. So you need something like this, a little bit thicker, and plastic, so you don't damage anything. Then you go in here, a little bit higher, a little bit lower, and then you wiggle it, and these two comes out. Okay, and then the entire light is out. Okay, in here are those two clips, you see, those black ones. This you have to pull out and don't damage anything. Okay, now let me get light off, and then we go to my shop. So we are in a warmer place now. The weather is not good outside. So here we are. To remove this, you have clips, one here, and one here, and you can pull this out easily. So by looking on this, we see 4 connectors here. By looking on this, we have the bulb for the turn signal. This one is obviously empty because there's nothing here. And we put this away. For the light, we got a connector here, so it's a LED, and all around it's fixed. So let's see how we get this undone. So let's see, there's a connector. I think I can unplug this. It's not okay. Okay, it's inside here. I can leave it so. So this must be the circuit board for the LED. Let me try to get this accessible. Okay, I think that this is not so tight. See this? This is hold together with some kind of silicone. Let me get it open. Okay, so let's just take a huge screwdriver and going around it like this. I can hold the phone and record. Okay, like this. On multiple ways, it will snap like it's broken, but it will not break. It comes off. Very good. So let's try it. So it's in two pieces now. It was not so hard. Just be careful and go slowly with patience around the whole thing and move it just a little bit. Don't hurry. And then it's just a little bit of silicone holding it together. You have to cut that silicone. See here, and it's off. As I open it, I already noticed there is some moisture in here. So it was not. Water was coming inside somewhere here. I have to seal it good at the end. Okay, maybe the water is responsible for the fault. I don't know yet. Let's see. Next thing, to get this out, you have to turn it around. I have hard time to see this. So here is a clip. You can see it. No, I can't. Okay, yes, you can't now. So here's a clip. You have to unclip this, and then this whole thing comes out. Okay, it's out. Now let's just have a look. Okay, so obviously this is the PCB board. Looks good. No moisture to see. Then there is a flat cable. Going to the LEDs. Okay, let me find a way to connect this manually, and then we'll trying to wiggle something, see if it's working. Let me just get on the pins and see if I can connect 12 volts manually here. So I think I got it. So as you see, there are 3 pins connected here. This one is not connected anywhere. On this one there is a 0 ohm resistor, so there must be power. And on the first one or fourth one there are 2 diodes, and then we have a 0 ohm resistor already. So this tells me there is 1 plus power there, so this must be the ground. And look at this, when we connect this pins with plus, okay, you can see it. This is the stoplight, okay. This works. Okay, so this pin is the stoplight, here's the ground, here's the pin don't connect, and here are the lights. And when I connect this one, you can't really see the LEDs, can you? Let me just put this so you can see it. Okay, I will put the power now here on the first pin. And if you look at the LEDs, you see they are poorly. Okay. Okay. So these LEDs are for the light, and these LEDs are for the stoplight. And if I give power on the stoplight, okay, that's here. That's this pin. Come on, focus. That's this pin. Okay. You see, I have stoplight working good, but the other LEDs are still not working okay. So let me connect this permanently, and then we go and wiggle it. Okay, guys, I think I got it after, let's say, 30 minutes of work. So, you see this? See this? I'm just tapping it. See this? Okay, so first I searched for the failure on this port. The failure is not on this port. It seems now like it is, but it's not, believe me. Okay, just let me get it. Okay. It's not on this port, okay. So I got it. I got the connector out. It's easier to connect. So here you got black wire, red wire, and an orange wire. So the black wire is power negative. The orange wire is stoplight, 12-volt power, and the red wire is the light, so the permanent light, 12-volt power. I got it now on 9.5 volt. I don't really need it 12 volt right now. But look at this. Between every relay on this port, there's a resistor connected. And watch this. Okay, I'm just easily tapping it, okay? Nothing here. No. See this? Okay. Nothing here, here, here. See this? Okay. Now look at this resistor. I will just tap it. See? Okay. Barely touching it. And here's the problem. The problem is so small, you can't even see it with the eye. So I can't see it. I don't think I can show you this. It will not focus. It will focus. Okay, a little bit more. No. Okay, that's the maximum. Let me try to hold it like this. Come on. Okay. It's a resistor. You see, 470. And let me just a little bit tap it here. Okay. And I really, with my eye, I don't think you can see. Yes, you can see it. You see this little crack. This little crack between the soldering and the resistor. There it is. So let me try to solder this, and then we'll see. So done. Soldered. Actually, I soldered all three of them. This one was moving a little bit, so I just leave it like that. It's okay. But look at this. It's fixed. So see it that way. I only had to remove this 4 to fix the problem, but these resistors are everywhere. So the whole way around there are resistors. So any resistor on this line could be damaged for causing this problem. I'll remember that. Okay, I'm just gonna put it all back together and get a final shot on the vehicle. And this is it. So when you're getting this off, you have to remove this plastic first. Just cut it with a knife or go with a screwdriver and break it off. But be very careful, not with a knife, not to cut in here. If you cut in here, okay, you got a problem, okay? You have to break this off and then it will come off. Do not go with the screwdriver in here and try to lift it, because you will damage this wires, okay? And when you put it back on, you just put it on and then you go with the tip of your soldering iron and just push it in here, okay? It will hold it again. It's enough to hold it. It's back together. So I just used to make it glue. I used silicone, neutral silicone, all the way so that water can get in. And then I go with soldering iron and just melted here a little bit of plastic together, so it's solid here. See, on just few points here and here, and on the other side. So this is holding together just a little bit, and the silicone will do the rest. So this is it. Let's get tried on. Okay guys, so this is a fix. Right side, left side, working. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Okay, I will press the key again. You can see it. Okay, all good. Okay, see you in the next video.